I've been really curious about it though. So we're gonna open it up. I haven't even opened it, by the way, guys. So my small brain thought tomorrow was the 24th. So I'm like, oh yeah, we'll just schedule the stream for tomorrow. Tomorrow's the 25th, dude. I'm stupid. We got this, dudes. But it came with some switches and stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna use those. Not today anyways, because I prepped some Pinokos for you guys, which are in this bag. So I prepped some of these guys, Pinokos. So we'll probably do some of these guys. But we came with some Keycap Sets, which is pretty interesting. So some Keychron Keycap Sets, which we'll open up later. Actually, maybe we'll open them now. We'll see what these are first. Thank you, dude. Okay, interesting. This is the Keycaps. Yo, why are these trays better than GMK? Why is this better than GMK, dude? Where's the right side? I'm assuming underneath. There it is. Yeah, these trays are actually kind of nice. I'm not gonna lie. Yes, these trays are kind of neat. Look at that. This puts together like that. Interesting. And this one here, I'm not too sure what this is. JM43. Unsure the code names here. Oh, look at this set. Yo, I kind of low-key want to use this set, dude. What the hell is this? These are cool colors. Oh, chat, hold on. It did miss a little bit. But it's okay. I forgive this. I forgive this, dude. But yeah, this is kind of a nice color. Pretty cool. All right. As you guys can see, still factory sealed because I haven't touched it yet. But we'll open this guy right now. We'll see how it is. I got my polyfill ready. We're going to do some mods to this. We'll take a look. We'll inspect it. All right, so this is the case here. Says 75% layout, dual compatibility, open source firmware, gasket mount design, screw-in stabs, CNC aluminum body, and sound absorbing foam, which I've heard the foam is going to be revised in the production model. We'll see. We'll see. Quick start if you're a Windows user. There's like a little typo over here. I don't know what that's supposed to say. Please find. Oh, the F is like moved over. Look at that. Isn't that funny? The F moved over, dude. Please find the appropriate keycaps in the box. Follow the instructions. Okay, we already know how this works. So we get a switch puller over here and a keycap puller. Nice, dude. And then some tools, which we're probably not going to use. All right, let's put these aside. Got like a little desk for this. All right, we got this little guy here. Guess it shows you how to properly align things. Pretty cool. Some keycaps. We'll just put these aside. So we'll have to put some extra gaskets on. So we'll put this over here. Some screws. Got an aviator cable. Okay, let's see. So that's all the accessories in here. Let's get this box out of the way. I think that's everything. Yep. Yep. All right. Shall we open it up? Alex, I wanted to ask, you checked the new Spider-Man trailer? No, but I'm going to check it out after the stream. I'm afraid to, Oh, that's pretty pog. My logo's on there. Okay. It's already built. That's pretty neat. All right, let's take a look at this. Get some feet. Got a little Windows Mac thing, USB-C at the back over there. Biased review incoming. Why is it biased? Because it has a logo? No, dude. Yeah, we'll wipe that out, dude. Interesting. Okay, before we open anything, I'm curious. All right, yeah, build stream's done, dude. We're ready to log off. No, let's just see a sound test now. And then I know we still have to include these gaskets. I just want to kind of... I mean, believe it or not, hold on. Dude, this is not what I've been hearing on everyone else's. Why does everyone else's... Okay, it's definitely the hollowness. So I can hear that. Oh, thank you, dude. Actually, that's not too bad, to be honest. What do you guys think? Like, that's actually not... It's definitely high pitch, and I think we're gonna... Let's open this up and let's actually take a look at what's inside here. Because I'm genuinely... Oh, wrong bit. I'm genuinely very interested in what's going on in the internals. Where did I put my... Very, very interested. Alright, what do we got inside here? There's that really thin layer of foam, as you guys can kind of see. Pretty cool. Alright, we'll probably put some polyfill in here as well to see how that sounds and whatnot. Let's put all our things in this little guy here. And then I do want to take... Alright, so is this done with the ribbon cable here? It is. So we gotta take out this ribbon cable first. Wait, what happened? The foam is glued? No, it's the ribbon cable over here. Just need to take it off. But thank you guys for the 100 bits. Another one, dude. Thank you, PL. I appreciate you, dude. I think we have to unscrew this first. Alright, so I can see where it's missing the gaskets. We're going to want to put some gaskets here, as well as on the bottom, so you guys can see where the gaskets are missing on this. This is a wow stick. That's what screwdriver this is. It's a wow stick. Other than that, here's what it looks like. I have to admit, even the modifiers sound pretty good stock. This is what the internals look like. So there's that button over here too, which we gotta seat back in a bit here. Okay. Wow, fast build, Alex. I know, dude, we're already done. Let's put that other gasket strip inside here. Let's move this off to the side. Alright, we're done this now. If you guys stick around too, I gotta show you something very cool as well. Alright, let's take off these guys. So I want to take a look at these stabs as well. So there is some like very light lube, as you guys can see, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna actually re-lube these as well. But I have to admit, this is pretty good. Like, you guys can see the inside of that wire. It's actually pretty nicely packed with lubricant. So you guys can kind of see that. Pretty nicely packed with lube. So we're okay in that regard, which is pretty nice to see. I'm not gonna lie. All right, let's see what this sounds like now, dude. Oh, the Poor Man 7V? I would not even say that. All right, so we've done nothing but switch out the switches, add the extra pour on or whatever foam gas is. I don't know if it's actually the pour on brand. So, we've done no mods so far, other than just swap out keyboard, switches and keycaps. Wow, look at the flex there. These are the stock stabs. So we're gonna do another mod. So yeah, definitely it's lost some of its ping, which could have just been the switches not being properly lubed. So we're gonna go into each one of our stabilizers here for a second. And we're gonna do some modding to these guys. So we really didn't lose much flex. That's pretty good. And this didn't kill the sound profile. So let's take a quick listen to this as well. So this is with polyfill now. Drink? Okay, we'll drink first. And again, we really didn't lose that flex, as you guys can see. I'm not a fan of the spacebar either right now. So it is completely screwed in, but we're gonna try some other stuff here now. What plate is this? Standard? I'm assuming aluminum? Was there other plate options for this? But we're not, if we're noticing though, guys, if we're noticing, I personally don't think that hollowness really exists much in the keyboard anymore. I think if we do too much to this, it's gonna lose all its character. How do we feel about polyfill so far? How are we feeling with the alphas? Polyfill sounds good. Polyfill seems endgame. Let's do some more to this though. We're not done yet. We're not done yet though, chat. Okay, you guys didn't hear this because I purposely typed really low. But hold on. I actually wasn't typing very heavy. I was just literally touching it, dude. So now with tape mod and the polyfill. Oh, thank you, dude.
Finally managed to catch the stream poggers.
Thank you, Nish. I appreciate you, dude. Dude, come on, chat. Flex is still there. Spacebar is a bit better. What are we thinking? Sorry, Chozo. What are we thinking, dude? So this tape will cost you like, you get a whole bunch of this for $5. Polyfill, $7. Ignore the GM. Let's just ignore the keycaps. If you guys want to set new switches, $70. Let's just say. I think this is a pretty good value. Do we want to see what it sounds like now without the polyfill? Should we take out the polyfill now? Is that the next step? And see what it sounds like just with the tape? Sure, why not? Alright, let's do that. Okay. Before I answer that, I don't know if the Q1 is a silent build. I feel like you would still need to put some mods. Now we took out the polyfill. I mean, if this all it took to do like a good sound test was like some tape, I'm not hearing pingy. I think I preferred the polyfill for this. Oh yeah, here, look at that. Maybe the sides, the polyfill definitely helped. But like, I liked it better with the polyfill too. I'm confused. I'm not hearing any. I'm not hearing anything though. I mean, if it took like $4 tape to make this sound like nice, and I do think it's nice. And again, this is not affecting flex. We're not affecting any flex. No flex has been affected. Same flex as before, dude. Okay. Guys, I need you to vote in chat. Did you guys like it better with spam polyfill? Or just type in nah? Actually, put yep for polyfill, dude. Or nope for nothing, dude. Yep for polyfill, nope for nothing. And then we'll put stock keycaps on it. Yup for polyfill, dude. Okay. Maybe we put back on. There's a lot of yups. A lot of yups, dude. Is it reasonable to put polyfill on one side of the board and get a real-time sound? Oh, you mean like half and half? I don't know if that works that way there, to be honest, Hannah. I don't know the science behind that, to be honest. Okay, let's put the polyfill back. The one thing I don't think anyone tried was polyfill. And I had a feeling, dude, when I heard this board was a little hollow, I was like, the first thing I thought of was like, dude, has anyone tried polyfill? Because that solved like a bunch of problems with keyboards I've had in the past. Did anyone else do polyfill, or am I the first person to do it, dude? Because like I honestly knew polyfill would fix this. I had a sly feeling, dude. Hold on, chat. Give me one sec, though. Well, I'm not even. The mic's not close to it. I don't have any proper spacebar foam, though. Thank you, MV. Okay, let's put back our desk pad, because I use the desk pad. I want to put back my desk pad here. Thing is in the way. Okay. Desk pad is back for the time being. Oh, thank you, dude. Ooh. Thank you, Sane. I appreciate you, dude. And again, we didn't lose too much flex here. Still flex. Yep, still flex, as you guys can see. Still a nice, soft typing experience. The last mod was just basically taking a piece of PE foam and putting it at the bottom of the case. Yep, and the whole point of this was to create super easy, cheap, affordable mods that people can do and have fun with this keyboard. Okay, do you guys think this foam helped at all? Okay. So all we really did was use some cheap PE foam. I'm assuming you can probably get that exact same bottom row by just putting more polyfill towards the bottom, to be 100% honest with you guys. Some packing foam just to kind of line the space bar, and polyfill. And what else did we use? Tape. Even if you had to buy the PE foam, this is maybe at most $20 of modding. At most $20 of modding. How do you guys feel right now? Are we feeling good with this? Was this success? Did we have a successful modding? How do we feel? I mean, it's pretty interesting, to be honest. How do you feel about the Q1 out of the box? You know what? Like, what's weird is I didn't mind it out of the box, dude. When we opened it up, I was like, this doesn't sound too bad. And then we put all the mods in it and like swapped it out, and I was like, oh, this sounds pretty good. And again, I don't know how those other ones sound modded, but this sounds like a pretty good keyboard. Yeah. Pinoko is for these ones here. Honestly, I like this. I'm going to be using this for the next few days. I'm going to be using this, dude.
Have you played Sea of Thieves?
Tim, I have, but yeah, I'm not going to lie, like, I haven't really found a game that I'm like to die for. I think Apex is probably the closest thing that I'm like, I like this game, dude. Oh my fucking God. I fucking trusted you, Tim. And this is the shit I get, dude. I'm not trusting nobody in this chat again, dude. Tim, you were supposed to be the best of us because you have that stupid fucking check mark next to your name, alright? You're supposed to be the best of us, Tim. I can't even get through a stream. Unbelievable, dude. Unfucking believable, dude. Check mark doesn't mean jack. Did him dirty. Exactly, dude.
Oh, thank you, dude.
Oh my God.